Yo, what's up? This JP at Top Pick. I know we got many questions about this Surface Laptop 4, but today we gonna find out, can it game? Let's go.
Flashbang.
We got this. We got this.
Pay attention. You might learn a thing or two.
Not our first worm food, compadres.
Might be something good this way.
Alright, to wrap it up, can you game on this laptop? Yes, at about 30 to 40 frames per second. On medium, I'm pretty sure you could get higher frames per second if you drop it down to low. But it did hold its own. It's the AMD Ryzen 5 version. Has pretty decent graphics. Is it a gaming laptop? Not really, but it did hold its own. I was pretty surprised. Now, one thing I did notice that the fans were screaming. It was super loud. I was pushing this thing to the max. But one thing I did notice, it wasn't throttling, it didn't step down the CPU, it held its own. So that's that. I'll be doing some other comparisons against the M1 MacBook. I'll be doing some Photoshop tests, some Adobe rendering tests, and we're gonna really see what this Surface laptop is about. Stay tuned, like and subscribe for more videos. Take care.